everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I will let you know how you can create a logo very easily with the help of Canva. So first we can just go in the Canva app. So here I already have like canva.com. After opening this, you have to just go home. Okay, so here they have the option, like multiple option to create a variants of things like presentation, social media, videos, and many more logos also there. Like they have taken the size of 500 cross 500. So first I will click on this. Okay, so if I need to make some restaurant logo, so anything we can make, like, but for the example I am just taking for the restaurant logo. So what I need to do, just I have to go here for the search for the template. So I will write here for the restaurant. Here I have some option. There are some like restaurant logo, restaurant logo. So I will click on the restaurant logo. Okay. So here we I will get some suggestion. It should be like some veg or something like that. Food logo, kitchen logo. They have multiple option to check here. Okay, so that you can select from here. After that, you can just come in the designing part. In the designing part, just you can check like whatever the service you want. Like in the restaurant it should be a coffee shop, or it should be like something specific, like things you need to just show out from there, like you're selling a momos or some burger or pizza. So anything you can just search on that. After that you can just click on any one of them. Just I like this, like it is looking very good, so I will just click on this, and here you can just have your name edited with anything like you can just have some name here. You can have some, like I have my name Akash, so like Akash. Okay, and something like restaurant, so I will write river view. Okay, so I have written the here, and I will just click and just select here and just minimize the size of the text, and I will just scroll here, come up with this, deleting space. Okay, now it's coming here, and I will just do little bit smaller. After that I will just paste this here, and I can see this, there will be no space. So what I will do, I will select here and I will go here for the spacing. Okay, after selecting the spacing, letter space and line space, so I want it a line space to be more. Look, it is just moving right now. Okay, so this thing we have to take care that how much we want. Okay, so basically I have done this. Now this is a like it's a pan, and it's we can change the color of the fire, like with the orange or something like that. Okay, according to your like logo color, you can just do this. Okay, and if I need to change the pan or want to add something interested in this on this part, so what I will do, I will select on the elements. Here I will search for the pen. Okay, so when I click on the pen, I have multiple option. I will select for the graphics. In the graphics I have multiple option to go with that. So this pen I like very well, so I will just click on this, and after clicking I will delete this one, and I will just flip. We have the flip option, sorry, we have the flip option. I will just flip this as per my need, like looking the logo should be more clear, and uh, the logo should be more clear, and it should be attractive. So now it's looking something good, and now there will be, it is written there, it's a river. So if I talk about like something, I need to show some river here. So for the river, what I will do, I will just come here and search for the river. Okay, I have multiple option here, so I have this river option here. So what I will do, just I will select some river or something like that related with the river on here to just show something like it's related with the river or some kind of thing. So what I have done, this I have taken this part as the river, and I will showcase this here and align and just small it the logo. Okay, now it's looking something good and related with the restaurant. Here I have the like premium restaurant and a yellow line. So this yellow line I will change the color with the red, like it will be look more good and just something brighter. Width should be 1 or 2. Okay, now it's looking good. Okay, and if we are talking about the river and also something greenish we need to use for that. So what I will do, just I will just do something. River should be done with the blue. I am just trying for this. Okay, yeah, and view should be just with the green. So let's see what will be the outcome. So I think it's looking good, but we can edit as per our needed. Like now I will do the black only, means it's looking good, but we can just highlight it. It's depending on us, like how we can do that. Okay, so thing is that we can create this logo as per our need and requirement, and somehow the people they want a multiple option to create on this logos as per their demands, like 3 variant, 4 variant they want. Okay, so what you can do, you can just click on the another page and go here and search for the another logo as per your requirement, like your client requirement or your requirement, anything you can just search for it. Like this is also looking good, or some more you can check. Okay, like here this logo I have selected, it's a text and the pen is used in this. So what we can do, you can just edit this text as a river. Okay, like I can write here Akash, so Akash. So in the place of A, I can just edit that and give the space between them and just smaller the size, some more smaller. Okay, now it's looking good, and this, okay, I will cut it out. Okay, and this will be something bigger as compared to the pen. And now this pen, what we need to do is do just like this. Okay, so now it's looking good, and something text I can just river view here. I can write RIVER view. Okay, so like this I can just make something align. What I can do, just click on here and just copy the duplicate one and paste it here. Okay, now it's just good. So like this I can design as per my requirement, so you can just cover it. Okay, and what the next thing I will let you know, the position we have in the layer options. Like we can select the single things in the layer option, like here I'm selecting. So one by one I can edit it. Like I need to click on the line, so I can click after clicking I can just edit this part. If I click on the pan, in the pan I will just go with this. If I click on the river view, so I can do. So this layering is used for in many way, and this is the shortcut key of that, like front back. Like I am clicking on this 3 dots, I will get this layering, and there are these options you can select easily, very well. After that you can just take it out while downloading, as I told you in the social media post. After clicking this in the PNG format, like back side will be not come, so I will click on that and download this file. Okay, so in the PNG format it is just downloading. Let's have the look of that. So I will click on this here, and we have the zip file here. So I will just extract it, and we have this 2 images. So we have this option, like background is there. Okay, and when I am checking the another one, in this also background is there. So what I want to do, just I don't want this background. So what I will do, I will just come again in the Canva. On the Canva, when I am just taking out this image, like I will just select any one of them. So if I am just taking out this, like exporting it here, after clicking in the download, we have multiple options. Transparent background, so I will click on the transparent background. It is available on the paid version only, so you can just click over here and just click on the downloads. After the download, how it's look, I will let you know. Look, it is downloaded, and now the thing is that what you will get. Okay, so the transparent background should be like, you can use anywhere, you can just paste it anywhere. Okay, in the like color, after the color. Okay, so in the color theme or in the post, you can just use this logo. So this is the concept. In the next video I will let you know related with this means on this only. So we continue with me. Thank you for watching my video.